Hello again. So let's look what it actually means when you multiply numbers. So I'm going to use the example, and I'm going to use 3 times 6 equals 18. Now, what the multiplication symbol actually means here, when you're multiplying numbers, it means groups of. I'm just going to write that there. And what the 3 actually means, it means how many groups. And what the 6 means is how many in each group. And of course, the answer means that when you add all the groups together, this is the total of all the groups. And what I've done here now is I've drawn the groups. So this is one group, and then this is 2 groups. And 3 groups, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each group. So this is how you've got 3 groups of 6. You have 1 group of 6, 2 groups of 6, and 3 groups of 6. And obviously, if you add all of these up, you're going to get 3 groups of 6, which is 18. So now we'll do some word problems to go with that. So here's a word problem. There are 3 nests. There are 6 eggs in each nest. How many eggs are there altogether? So as you can see, I've drawn 3 nests and I've put 6 eggs in each of the nests. So you can see that this would be a group. And one group is one nest. One group is one nest, and another group is another nest, and obviously another group is another nest. So you have the 3 groups, and then you have 6 eggs in each nest or each group. So that's how you actually get the 3 times 6 equals 18, because you have 3 groups, 6 eggs in each group, which is a total of 18 eggs. So what's the answer? How many eggs are there altogether? 18 eggs. Now let's do another word problem. So here is our next word problem to show you what it means when we're actually multiplying the numbers. There are 5 houses. 1 person lives in each house. How many people are there altogether? Now, it seems that any multiplication equation which has the number 1 in it can be quite confusing, because what a child in particular does, the child doesn't know whether it's 5 times 1 is 5 or 1 times 5 is 5. It's just a bit of a confusing thing for the child to understand. So now, if we go back to what each of the numbers actually means, the 5 means the groups. So the 5 here is the 5 groups. So we got the 5 groups. And the 1 is the amount in each group. So we just write this, the amount in each group. So we got 5 groups, which is the 5 houses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses. 1 person in each house, so that's 5 groups of 1 equals 5. So here is our next word problem. There is 1 boat, and there are 8 people on the boat. How many people are there altogether? Now that's quite easy to answer because we can see that there's just 8 people in total and that is the answer. But when we're trying to write the correct multiplication equation, once again, this occurs whether it's 1 times 8 equals 8 or 8 times 1 equals 8. Now, if we go back to what it actually means, the multiplication equation, you'll see that there is one group. So we have one group and there's 8 in that group. So that is one group, 8 in that one group, which gives you the 8 people. So it's one group of 8 equals 8. So I hope those times tables word problems gave you a little bit more understanding of what the times tables actually means. So when a child learns all the times tables, if they can understand that one point first, it's just not like a rote memory robot understanding when they're actually writing the times tables and learning them off by heart and saying them out loud. So I hope that helps, and we'll move on to the next part of the program.